Stand erect with feet hip-width apart and arms extended in front of your chest. Make a fist with your palms. Rotate wrist in clockwise direction for 10 counts each. Now rotate wrist and anti-clockwise direction. Go through full range of motion in the joint. Breathe comfortably. Keep your elbows straight and rotate from the wrist. Do not shrug and keep your collarbone wide. Extend your right arm in front of your chest. Face the palm down. Gently bend your right palm from the wrist joint towards you. Take help from the left palm. Hold here for 10 seconds. Now turn the back of your palm from the wrist joint towards you. Avoid bending from the fingers. Extend your left arm in front of your chest, face the palm down. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Now turn the back of your palm from the wrist joint towards you. Avoid bending from the fingers. During the hold, initiate by rolling the shoulders forward and upwards. Inhale here. Lift your shoulders close to the ears. Exhale, drop them back and down. Halfway inhale, halfway exhale. Initiate by squeezing the shoulder blades. Inhale here. Lift your shoulders to the ears. Exhale, roll them forward and down. Repeat. Chin stays parallel to the floor. Stand erect, feet hip-width apart. Exhale. Circle the arms forward and down. Inhale, circle them up and overhead. Elbows stay straight. Inhale, circle the arms backward and down. Exhale. Circle the arms forward and upwards. Arms in T position at shoulder level, palms face the ceiling. Exhale, pulse the arms back. Inhale, bring the arms forward. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades at the back. Feel the stretch in the chest and shoulder. Rotate hips to one side, swing the arms overhead. Come back to the center. Lift the opposite heel up as you rotate. Feel the stretch in your chest and rotate from the rib cage. Keep your arms straight and parallel. Exhale as you swing arms overhead and tighten your abs. Stand erect, feet wider than shoulder width, toes slightly turned out and hands on waist. Circle the hip from leftmost side to forward to rightmost side. Now reverse the direction. Feel the femur bone moving in the socket of the hip joint. You should feel the opening at the hip creases. Make sure you are not isolating the lower back. Move from the groin and inner thighs. Stand erect, feet shoulder width apart, hands on waist. Keeping the back straight, bend from the hip and lean forward with the torso. Bring the torso parallel to the floor. Arms reach down in front of the chest. Hold here for a couple of seconds. With the torso bent forward and knees straight, open the arms in T position. Exhale, touch the right palm to your left toe. Now touch the left palm to your right toe. Keep alternating. Look up to the sky every time you touch the toes. Feel the twist in the mid-back. Exhale, touch the toe. Inhale during the transition. Keep the torso in the center of the body. Do not shift the hips from side to side. Tilt the chin towards the ceiling. You should feel a stretch in the front of the neck. Bring the chin parallel to the floor. Tuck the chin in towards the chest. Back of the neck feels long. Tilt the chin towards the ceiling. tuck the chin in towards the chest. You should feel a stretch in the front of the neck. Back of the neck feels long. Hands are relaxed and by the hips. Gaze forward. Exhale. Rotate neck to right side. Hold and gaze over the right shoulder. Place 2 fingers on the left side of chin to press. Shoulders are square to the front and head is to your right. And head is to your right. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, rotate neck to left side. Hold and gaze over the left shoulder. Place 2 fingers on right side of your chin to press. Shoulders are square to the front and head is to your left. Place the right palm overhead. Drop the neck to right side and hold it using the right palm. Feel the stretch on left side, gaze forward. Do not shrug from the right shoulder. Lateral flex to left. Place the left palm overhead. Drop the neck to left side and press it down using the left palm. Feel the stretch on right side, gaze forward. Lift one leg off the floor and extend it. Draw big circles using the big toe in one direction. Do this for few reps and reverse the direction. Take the ankle joint through full range of motion. Keep the knee locked and focus on rotating the ankle. Take support of the wall only if needed. Exhale and flex. Bring the toes towards your shin. Inhale to point the toe away from you. Work through full range. Think of pushing the heel away from you as you flex. Exhale. Put the body weight on the outer edge of the foot. Inhale, return to the center. Exhale, put the body weight on the inner arch of the foot. Repeat on the other foot. Feel the stretch on the outer and inner side of the ankle. Breathe normally. Feel the stretch on the outside of the ankle. Stand erect, hands on waist. Start by kicking the legs alternatively, knees stay soft. Abs gently engage to hop softly on the ball of the foot. Exhale on kicks and inhale during transitions. Start with alternatively kicking the heel to the butt. Arms swing on the side. Gently engage abs to land softly on the ball of the foot. Exhale with each butt kick. Stay tall. Keep the movement quick and be light on your feet. Switch to bring the knees up to the hip level. Knees at 90 degrees, engage the abs gently. Exhale with each high knee. Push off the ball of the foot as quick as possible. Hands in front of the chest, stay tall throughout the movement. Stand erect with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend from your hips, place palms in front of your feet. Walk with your palms into a plank and hold. Do not let your hips rock from side to side. Now come to a standing position. Walk with your whole palm on the floor, not just the fingers. Do not sink into the shoulder blades. Walk back on your palms in 3 steps. Take 3 steps to walk into a plank. Push your weight back using the heels of the palms.